Hi there. Attaching EBS volumes to EC2 instances can feel like a daunting task, especially when multi-attach is involved. The process with standard AWS tools can be tricky, and one small misstep might lead to configuration errors or even downtime. But don't worry, Cloudshot has got your back. With our intuitive platform, enabling multi-attach and securely connecting EBS volumes to your EC2 instances is straightforward and hassle-free. Cloudshot streamlines the process, giving you enhanced storage flexibility and boosting your operational efficiency. Ready to see how easy it is? Let's get started. First, simply drag and drop EBS from the Cloudshot AWS panel to the desired subnet. Next, head over to the Arrange panel on the right side. Here, fill out the mandatory fields, such as volume size and volume type, to configure your EBS volume. In this step, you can select only IO1 or IO2 volume types, as multi-attach is supported exclusively on provisioned IOPS SSD, IO1 and IO2 volumes. For optimal performance, consistency, and durability at a lower cost, we recommend choosing IO2 volumes. After filling in all the required details, simply click Deploy to Cloud to start the deployment process. A confirmation message will appear. Simply click Yes to proceed. Cloudshot has successfully completed the deployment process and is now asking if you'd like to update the diagram. This prompt ensures you don't lose any unsaved work. So, let's go ahead and click Yes to proceed. If you'd like to enable real-time monitoring, click Yes. To learn more about how real-time monitoring works, be sure to check out our dedicated video on real-time monitoring. Now, let's enable multi-attach for the EBS volume. Start by selecting the EBS volume with the type IO2. Right-click on it, and from the menu, choose the Cloudshot AWS option. Then, select Enable Multi-Attach to get started. Multi-attach has been successfully enabled. Now comes the exciting part. Let's attach the EBS volume to an EC2 instance. First, select the EC2 instance you want to work with, and right-click on it. From the menu, choose the Cloudshot AWS option, click Manage EBS, and then select Attach EBS volume to EC2. The Attach EBS volume to EC2 pop-up screen will open. Next, select the volume from the drop-down. All the available volumes that can be attached will be listed here. Right now, we have only one volume available for attachment. Once you've selected the volume, click Deploy to AWS. Your EBS volume has been successfully attached to the EC2 instance. To update the diagram, simply click Yes. You will now see in the diagram that the EBS volume is successfully attached to the EC2 instance. Now, let's attach the same EBS volume to another EC2 instance for even more flexibility. To attach the EBS volume to another EC2 instance, simply repeat the same process. Select the new EC2 instance, then go to the Attach EBS volume to EC2 option again. Select the same EBS volume that's already attached and proceed with the attachment process. As you can see in the diagram, a single EBS volume is now attached to multiple EC2 instances effortlessly. And that's how easy it is with Cloudshot. And if you want to detach the EBS volume, simply follow the same process as attachment. Select the volume, right-click, and choose the option to detach. It's that easy. No complexity, just streamlined efficiency. Ready to simplify your cloud management? Try it out with Cloudshot today. Thank you for watching.